morning. It's the day of the winter wipeout race. This is the kit that you have to take. I've got my waterproofs, full body waterproofs in here. Got my running vest which will carry my waters and my GPS. I've got to have an emergency blanket. I've got to have a whistle. I've got to have a map. I've got to have a working mobile phone. Yeah, I have hat and gloves, and obviously trail running shoes. So that's all the gear that you're going to need.
Right then, here we are, winter wipeout. Everybody's gathering around, waiting for the start. It's quite busy. Awesome.
The course is 13-ish miles. Not like last year when it was God knows how long. So there's no surprises, but you still got your river crossing at the end, so it's just straightforward out to the top of Hedgehope and back again. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's like leaving Ingram Valley now, over the bridge. Only about a mile out of Ingram, and everybody's already used to a walk. It's a bit steep. Going up towards Cheviot Hill. Be the first hill we hit. Knackered already. Right high up now. Probably getting about 1,000 feet. Looking over Brough Law and Ingram Valley. Gorgeous. So it's starting to get a bit higher and it's getting a bit boggier. I've just gone up into my knees in a peat bog, which is lovely. We've got Dunmore Hill coming up to view, and behind that Hedgehope, the turnaround for this race. I've been here before, some kind of stone circle, a little bit of a detour to have a look at that. Check it out on the maps when I get home. Oh look, I'm next to a chili pepper, classic. I'm being beaten by a chili pepper. How embarrassing. I was about to do a really serious commentary there, thanks. So here we are, coming up to Cunyon Crags, and Mr. Chili Pepper there, blasting off. That's where we've been. Cunyon Crags, here we come. Very steep climbing up to Cunyon Crags. Nobody's running now. Crags are going up now. Pretty high up. Right, we're through Cunyon Crags. That's about 1,500 feet. Next is Dunmore, which is about 1,008, and then Hedgehope, which is 2,004, I think. The back of my maps on that one. Look back to Cunyon Crags. Dunmore Hill now. No, that's Hedgehope Hill, mate. This is Dunmore. This this is Dunmore Summit. Pathetically, look at that. Have you ever seen more of a disappointing peak in your life? Look at that. Sort it out, man. Northumberland National Park. There's Hedgehope Hill. Wind's getting a bit up. Definitely getting muddier. Definitely cooler. Much windier. Going down now. This is between Dunmore and Hedgehope. It's cold now, and it's quite windy, and it's very muddy. Now, well done, mate. I'm not jealous in the slightest. Now. Nice one, dude. We're getting close to the top of Hedgehope now. Just coming into view. Well, this is certainly the toughest bit so far. It's so windy. People are on their knees. Me as well. I just want you to see what this is like. It's not easy. Final climb is absolutely blowing a gale. Show you the top. I think I can hear myself speak again now. That is, without doubt, one of the windiest summits I've ever done now. Nuts. Right, we're off. Hedgehope now. Going back towards Dunmore Hill. Is that photographer? Mountain rescue guys, you alright, man? This is the path down the Cunyon Crags. Got a few runners in front of us, leading the way back home to Ingram Valley. And apparently we'll get some soup. And if I can do that now. Stop. Oh, the sun is coming out as we go through the crags here. Lovely. This nice lady stopped to let me through. Oh, hello there. Oh, yeah. Say hello. Well, it's all looks so peaceful now. It's all flattened out. We're going back to Cheviot Hill and back to Ingram, and I'm looking forward to getting thrown in a river. Apparently, sounds nice. Oh, but it couldn't be more different now than being blown to pieces on top of Hedgehope. It's so peaceful now. The sun's out. It's warm. No wind. Nice. So here we go. Last little bit here. Gotta go over this. Oh my god. I'm right now, like knackered. Right. River crossing next. Hello, ladies. Right. Will do. Thank you. Oh, that feels lovely. Oh. Oh, nice. Thank you. Oh, it feels so nice. Well done. Oh, finish. Oh, one clapping. Oh, yes, done it. Thank you. Oh my god, that was brutal.
Well done, man.
Thank you very much.
Well, there's hot soup inside.
87.
Your number's just about made it. 87.
That was nuts.